Hey everybody, welcome back to Plan in Real Alaska. My name is Carrie and I am here to do a weekly check-in. So this will be the first weekly check-in for the month of January. Sorry if the book's crooked. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. I just did a video on my monthly budget and my first paycheck. So as I get better at these videos, I will streamline them a little better and hopefully make them more entertaining, because that's what it's all about, right? And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the first week. So this is my Erin Condren A5 ring binder. I really enjoy this because it fits in my purse, and I like to take my budget with me. So I have really been liking this. So again, I have my monthly calendar, and I have my paydays written down. So my husband and I both get paid on Fridays every 2 weeks. So we get paid on the 6th and the 20th. So at first I was gonna do my weekly check-ins. I was gonna do it in a 2-week increment. So from payday to the day before the next payday. But I think that that will be a little too cumbersome and just a lot. So I am gonna try doing it, so it'll be 4 or 5 check-ins. So I'm gonna do it from payday to the Friday, or to the Thursday, so that then it'll be Friday to Thursday, so it will correlate with the paydays. I hope that makes sense. So I am not gonna check in this, because this was last month according to the payday. So I'm gonna start here on the 6th. And I am using these stickers that I made on my Cricut, and I don't know if I have them already made, so that the template, so I could probably make them again, but I will never design these again because it was so time consuming. And that's because I'm not a computer person. I'm a nurse and I do nurse things. I don't do IT things, even though my work expects me to, but that's a whole different video. So anywho, so I also have this like guide to tell me what each of the colors mean. So I do have a couple of stickers that I need to place down on Wednesday and Thursday, but I wanted to show you how I am doing my transaction log. So, and I'm really liking this way. So normally in the budget by, because I also use the Budget Mom Budget by Paycheck workbook by the Budget Mom. I use her, and in her workbook she has these expense trackers, and how I did it before was I would put like the account and then all of the expenses that came out of that account and then the other account, and it was just a lot. So I have got us down to 2 cards that we use. We use our Alaska USA credit, our credit union debit card, and then we use our Costco City card, and that's so we can get points. So most of our spending is on the Costco City card because I am a credit card user, but I pay it all back at the end of the month. That's why I keep track of everything. And some bills come out of, like our mortgage comes out of our debit card account, checking account. So so what I'm doing is I am writing down transactions made on the days, and then I'm using highlighters. I have these highlighters that I kind of marked with my label maker, so they correlate with this. See, it's all about being organized, guys, and having the correlation, right? So, and the flow, because if that that's how my brain works for whatever reason. So I have to add a couple. So I'm going to do a check-in from Friday the 6th, and I have it highlighted there, to Thursday the 12th. And then I created these weekly. I used, let me see if I can find it. weekly check-in here. I think these are Sarah Marie stickers, so I put week 1, 2, 3, and 4 since I didn't have room. I don't know if I will shorten these out, so I have fixed, gas, groceries, eating out, personal, miscellaneous, sinking funds, and kids. I'm not sure if I will keep track of those in February. This is kind of a trial month. I also have all of my sinking funds. So yeah, so let's get into I'm just gonna put this here so I'm sorry if I'm making you guys sick, and I'm gonna have to turn it so I can write, and I'll bring you guys down a little closer so you can see. So I have some receipts here that I need to put in, and I need to get to the 12th so you guys can see. So Walmart, that I need to do my colors. So I have, again, these highlighters. So I'm gonna do groceries is yellow. So I'm gonna do all of my yellows. And then I don't think I have any other yellow, okay. And then I'm gonna do gas, and gas is brown. So let's highlight gas, and you will see if you saw my first video, we use a lot of gas, and it's very, very frustrating. I think I did all the gas there. I'm missing a gas. I feel like I put in gas. Let me look at my, yeah, on the 10th, there should be 2 gases because my husband also filled up 55.50. So let me write that in really quick. So Costco gas, and I just put in parentheses a T for my husband, and it was 55. I'm not the best handwriter, guys, so just FYI, I think it was 55.50. He always ends out putting it on a 55.50. He always leaves it on a 0 or a 5, so I always know when that's his. So there's another gas. And then on here, let's see, I have a miscellaneous that is orange. So I have it labeled there, miscellaneous. So orange, and no other miscellaneous. And then sinking funds is blue, and I have a 3 Bears sinking fund that was for pet food, chicken feed. And then I believe home is also a sinking fund. It was like home maintenance. And then that is a refund, so I need to remind myself of that. And then that was a bill, which bills are gray. So that was my minimum purchase. And then this was personal, which is purple. So I think that's that. So then I need to make some stickers real quick so I can put them on the calendar. So I need all of 11 and 12s. So I have a food, so this is Walmart, and that is $22.85. And then I have a sinking fund, which is Target, and that was $13.50. Then I have a miscellaneous, which was my TSA pre-check. We do travel a lot for work, and so to have TSA pre-check is the way to go. And then I think that was a refund. Okay, so let's put these on the calendar. So the TSA pre-check was there, and then sinking funds Target was there. I don't think I spent anything else. I did spend out of my personal, but it was my cash, so I I'm not counting that. I don't really keep track of the cash in my wallet for personal. So there. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will add these up and then write them in our weekly check-in right here. So let me grab my calculator. And let's make sure you guys probably won't be able to see it very well, so I apologize. But so let's first do our fixed expenses, so our bills. So that will be 2660, which is our mortgage, plus 500, plus 174, plus 156, plus 180, plus 105 equals 3775, and that's going to be high because it is mortgage time. So 3775. I'm not keeping track of that or that because fixed, there's no budgeted amount. So there's that. All right, so let me just mark that I counted those real quick. Oh, and then I need to use the brown highlighter right here for gas. I don't have brown stickers, so I think I ordered those through Planner Kate. All right, so the next one is gas. So let's do, we got 71.90 plus 55.50 plus 71.56 equals 198.96. We are well on our way of spending $1,000 this month for gas. So 198.96, and we have $1,000. So minus 1,000 equals, we have 801.04 remaining. Okay. I'm going to use red for if we go over budget. So let's mark those off that we documented those. All right, so now let's do groceries, which is yellow. So we did our hopefully monthly Costco purchase, and I did a monthly purchase, so hopefully we are good besides getting our milk and that kind of stuff. I do try to make our own bread every week, so, or a couple times a week. We budgeted, let's see, groceries, we budgeted 700, so we still have 53.15 remaining for the month, which I don't know, we'll probably go over that. So let's mark these off. Hopefully we don't though. I'm trying to do a pantry challenge, so using what we have. I don't have anything for eating out, so that's good because eating out is green, so yay. So we still have, for eating out, we still have 100. Personal, just got $24.95, $24.95, and I do budget 150, so 150 minus 24.95 is 125.05, 125.05. Miscellaneous is orange, so we got a couple of those, 117 plus 114, oh, looks like we're over budget there, 201. So again, I did not add this one because that is in a different week. So 201, and we budgeted $100, or no, we only budgeted $50. Oh geez, bummer. Minus 50 equals, we are over 151. No, negative 151. All right. Sinking funds. we have a couple of those. 133 plus 47 plus my windshield is getting repaired out there, so I might, oh, and then plus 1350, 1350, oh, darn it, I can't do two things at once, plus 47 plus 67, 96 plus 1350, 261.46. My windshield needs to get repaired. Our winters here are brutal for windshields because of all the rocks and sand they put down. I'm not going to do anything there because that's a different number. And I hear him banging on the window, so hopefully I get this video done before he's done. And I don't think anything for kids. I did that one. So that looks like that is it for the weekly check-in. So that is good. So we really only have the miscellaneous, which is negative, which that's probably going to happen all the time until I can figure out what we really spend. Again, this is kind of a new, I'm not new to budgeting, but a new year, and so I'm really hoping that I can get our budget down. So that is the weekly check-in for week 1. Next Thursday I will close out week 2, and then hopefully I will be consecutive and doing videos for you guys so I can get kind of back in the accountability realm. And yeah, so we are doing good so far, except for miscellaneous. So awesome. All right, guys, well, that is it for this week's weekly check-in. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to ask me any questions down below, I'd love to chat with you. If you have any positive criticism, I'd love to hear it, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Martin Luther King weekend. Thanks, bye.